Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit vocals in Logic Pro. Okay, so first what you need to do is before adding any effects, you need to remove unwanted background noises, breaths, and some uh, voice noises that we don't want. So what we need to do is click on the audio and then head over here to the bottom where you see this pencil. It will open up this audio timeline basically. So the sound which we have. Now what we can do is we can first remove these empty spaces right here, so we can delete that. Then we have here, let me show you how it's done that. So what we do here, we can select scissors, click split by like so, and now we can double click on it and we can delete this part off. Now what we can also do is if we select trim, we can just drag end and the beginning of this, and we can remove some unwanted noises like so, for example. And I think it's now pretty nice. Now what we can do here, we can do some automation here, retouch. We have parameters, so we have also compressor, so we can put audio gain, audio release, input gain, mic output gain, and so on. This is this one. Then we can move on the timeline where we want it, and yeah, so on. All right, now the next thing is we can add some things to it. So if we go here to the bottom left corner, the middle icon, and we can add quantize. So we can select, yeah, this one would be great. Q swing, Q strength, Q range. Okay, this is good. Then we have fade start, and then we have fade out. Start at let's say, what is this? 5 or 6, maybe. Let's go like that and hit enter. Then yeah, crossfade, let's say this, like this. Now what we can do also, we have here some brush, so we can make some brushing here. So as you can see, we can loop, name, and add color. We can move this, we can trim, split, and we can change tempo. We can analyze tempo, and yeah, like so. And yeah, this is basically it, how we can edit here the vocals. Now also, if you at the middle, we can now add audio FX. So you have here for Logic Pro bunch of things that we can add. So we have from amps and pedals to all the way to the utility, to the gain, and now we can adjust the gain, make mono, so we will put that stereo, swap, norm, and yeah, you can add now basically those effects on the track. Then we have here send, uh, so we can create a new bus, and we also have the output. So yeah, uh, this is how you can edit vocals and any other instruments that you are using on your timeline. This is basically it. I hope this video helped you out a little bit. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.